p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Rock Hill, or near K, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Fort Mill, Newport, Leslie, and Lake Wiley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report. Or by posting on our Facebook page, or tweet it using hashtag WXL70. Your message describes the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: York, South Carolina.
Under the next Republican president,
Chatham County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, southwestern Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the outflow from severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Bedford to New Cabo to near Silo City to 10 miles northeast of Baden Lake, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. The course of the thunderstorms remains slightly farther to the west. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, emergency management. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cary, Chapel Hill, Sanford, Southern Pines, Great Moor, Pittsboro, Lillington, and Troy. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings.
let me say it again.
Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Montgomery, North Carolina.
Without free and
Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm warning number 386 remains in effect until 18.
There we go.